Hello students. Previously we have learned about the earth and the graticule. What is a graticule? Along with directions and subdirections, graticule system is used for describing accurate location of a place on the surface of the earth is called graticule system. What is a graticule system? Actually, we have learned that, but once we will revise. Parallel of latitudes means lines runs from east to west horizontally, and meridian of longitudes means lines runs from north pole to south pole vertically. Together these parallel of latitudes and meridian of longitudes forms a grid or a net on a globe or imaginary on the surface of the earth is called graticule system. Then how to express a location of a place on the surface of the earth using graticule system? Angular distance of a place on the surface of the earth from equator, we have learned that a 0 degree parallel is considered as the equator, and angular distance from 0 degree meridian, we have learned that 0 degree meridian is considered as a prime meridian. So angular distance from 0 degree prime meridian, one can express accurate location of a place, any place on the surface of the earth. Thus, we have noted that using this graticule system on a globe, one can describe accurate location of a place on the surface of the earth. What is globe? A globe is a spherical model. It is a duplicate model or a miniature model of the earth. Like a globe, can we use this graticule system on other device like a flat device? Let us see. And now we are going to discuss about one more important device, which is a basic tool of geography, is called a map. What is map? A diagrammatic representation of an area of land or sea showing physical features, rivers, roads, etc. There are two major types of maps. First one, political map, and second one, physical map. Let us see what is the political map and physical map. Political maps show the geographical boundaries between governmental units such as cities, countries. Look at these boundaries between cities, countries and continents. And major water features such as rivers. Look at this river Yamuna, and oceans. Look at this North Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean. Political map help people understand the geography of the world. They are usually the first type of map that students are introduced to in school. They are also known as reference maps because people refer to them again and again as they have questions. And now look at this physical map, world physical map. Physical maps show the Earth's features like landscapes, mountains. Look at these Rocky Mountains in North America, desert. Look at this Sahara Desert in Africa. Plateau like a Deccan Plateau in India. Lakes like Lake Victoria. Rivers, look at these rivers, Godavari, Narmada. And oceans. See these oceans, North Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, North Pacific Ocean, etc. And now we are going to compare a globe and a map. For understanding, there are similarities and differences. Now take out your textbooks and turn page number 17. Using given questions on this page, we will compare a globe and a map. First question, which device is a flat? A map device is a flat. Second question, which device is a spherical? A globe device is a spherical. Next question, which of these devices, a globe and a map, allows you to see the entire area of the Earth at the same time? A map device allows us to see the entire area of the Earth at the same time. Next question, which device allows you to see only one side of the Earth at a time? As we know that a globe is a spherical in size. A globe device allows us to see only one side of the Earth at a time due to its spherical size. At a time, one cannot see front side and back side of any spherical object. So, a globe device allows us to see only one side of the Earth at a time. Next question, which device can be used for studying a particular region in detail? A globe device shows us about the continents, nations with major cities, physical features like mountains, valleys, plateaus, etc., water bodies like rivers, oceans, and parallel of latitudes means lines runs from east to west horizontally, and meridian of longitudes means lines runs from north pole to south pole vertically. Together these parallel of latitudes and meridian of longitudes forms a grid or net on a globe, whereas map is a representation of entire area of the world. Map shows us continents, nations, states, cities, even villages also in detail. So, a map device allows us for studying about a particular region in detail. Next picture. Which device can be called a model of the Earth? A globe device can be called as a model of the Earth, or miniature model or duplicate model of the Earth. So, we have observed that maps are two-dimensional, whereas a globe is a three-dimensional or 3D device. Two-dimensional objects have a length and a width. The product of two dimensions, length and width, defines area. Whereas three-dimensional objects have a length, width and height or thickness. The product of three dimensions provides volume. What are two-dimensional and three-dimensional objects? A surface having a length and width are called two-dimensional objects. For example, a map, whiteboard, page. These are examples of two-dimensional objects. And an object having three dimensions, length, width and height or thickness are called three-dimensional objects. For example, duster, a book, etc. And thus, after comparing a globe and a map, we have concluded that a globe device is a duplicate model of the Earth and shows us continents, physical features like mountains, valleys, plateaus, water bodies like rivers, oceans, etc., and a parallel of latitudes and a meridian of longitudes. Whereas a map is a representation of the entire world. Map shows continents, nations, cities, villages, as well as physical features like mountains, valleys, plateaus, and water bodies like rivers, oceans, etc. What are the similarities between a globe and a map? Both of these devices are a representation of the Earth and provides us a location of a place on the surface of the Earth.
And now look at this figure with the information about the method of drawing a graticule on a flat paper. This method is called map projection. In order to draw a map of the whole world, first a wire globe is prepared. Look at this image of a wire globe. A source of light is placed inside the globe. See this torch placed inside the globe. Then the projection of the wire graticule is obtained on a paper. This projection is used to draw maps on paper. Thus, a graticule is essential for drawing the map of the earth or any part of it. That is how two-dimensional map is obtained on a paper from a three-dimensional globe. And now look at this figure number 3.2, Eartha, on textbook page number 18. What is Eartha? Eartha is the largest operational globe in the world. It is housed at Yarmouth in the state of Maine in the United States of America. The rotation and revolution speed of this globe is maintained as per that of the Earth. The globe weight is approximately 5,600 pounds, that is 2,500 kilograms, and has a diameter of over 41 feet, that is 12.5 meters. Eartha is a three-dimensional scale model of our Earth with a parallel of latitudes, meridian of longitudes, means graticule system, continents, different type of landforms, water bodies, in full 3D effects that rotates and revolves, simulating the Earth's real movements. Eartha was given the title of world's largest revolving rotating globe by the editors of the Guinness Book of World Records in 1999 and still holds that record today.